What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I first want to start off with a huge thank you because I have reached 1,000 subscribers finally on this channel after doing my channel for so many years and like stopping and starting, and I've been very consistent and I'm very happy with the results. So for all the new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel, I really do appreciate that. But for today, we are going to do a what's on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, okay? Because I'm super excited to have this phone and I'm super excited to be doing this video. So let's get started. What I have is a little widget up there that I can customize my name up there, and I have a calendar, the weather, and a battery charger up there. So on the main screen, I have a widget up here for my music, and it looks like a vinyl player, and I think that is so cute. And the way that I'm using that is on a app called Miko, or Miko, however you want to pronounce it. I am using that for that. So I have YouTube on the first line, and then I also have a socials folder. So as you can see, I'm using TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, Threads, Instagram, Twitter, because first of all, I'm not calling Twitter X. Like, that's lame. Like,
Elon, you should just stuck to Teslas, okay? You came all the way over here. You in a whole nother lane. Get back over there.
Anyway, Messenger and LinkedIn. Surprisingly, I use LinkedIn quite a bit. Like, I like to see what companies are doing, and then like people I used to work with and stuff like that. And then they have like some good little posts on there. Instagram, like I'm on Instagram, but I ain't on Instagram. Like, I don't really post like that to my Instagram page. I don't really know. Like, I be on Snapchat, but I just be watching other people. I don't really post on Snapchat like that either. I'm on Facebook a lot, and I'm on Threads. Like, I really like Threads. Like, it's very peaceful over there right now. Like, all the stuff that's on Twitter is not popping off on Threads yet, so it's very refreshing. I hope that it stays that way. I hope that they don't ruin this. I really want them to just keep it clean. And then TikTok, I'm on TikTok a lot because I'm just always watching something on TikTok. I damn near use TikTok as Google now, so yeah, there's that. I have the Ring app, which is for the doorbell. Obviously, I think a lot of people should know what Ring is by now. Then I have my photo album, and then I have YouTube Studio. We use YouTube Studio to, you know, check views, subscribers, analytics, and things like that. Then I have my mail app, because like I be checking my email like all day. So I don't know, some people don't really check their emails, but me, I do. Like, that's why you see it's blank. I don't have any unreads because I legit check my email. My other folder is for video stuff or like editing and photo type stuff. So I have these little icons that represent like camera and video recording and film. And I have iMovie in there, Filmora, Canva. I have Cricut Design Space because I do have a Cricut and I like to do DIY stuff from time to time. So that's why I have that. Then I have the Canon Print app because we have a lot of wireless printers in the house, so we need the app for that. Then I have the Sprocket app, which is for a little miniature HP photo printer, and it prints out like miniature prints. It's like really cool. Then I have Adobe Clip, which I don't even really use that, so I don't even know why I still have that on here, but yeah. I got Amazon Photos, and I use it to like back up all the photos that's on my phone. It pretty much serves the same purpose as Google Photos and all those other things like Dropbox and stuff. So yeah. And I have CapCut, and I also have Filmmaker Pro. And I bought this app a long time ago, which was like the greatest decision ever, because it is a lot of features on Filmmaker Pro that aren't on iMovie, and I kind of go back and forth between the two. Like, it just depends on how I'm feeling. Like, sometimes I'll edit videos on my phone because it's like kind of easy to me to just do it that way, or on my iPad, so I'll use Filmmaker Pro. And other times I'll use iMovie. Like, I can use iMovie on my phone, on my iPad, and on my MacBook or my iMac. So yeah. Then I also have a shopping folder, and I feel like I got 50 million shopping apps because I love to shop. So I have the Adidas app, which I feel like my Adidas Confirmed app is missing. I need to re-download that, because if y'all want like the latest drops and you want to enter the draws for like Yeezys, you need the Adidas Confirmed app. So yeah. And I have a lot of sneaker apps because I'm a sneakerhead. Like, I buy a lot of sneakers. Although this year I haven't bought a pair for myself, and I'm very proud of that. But I still have all the apps on my phone, so it's self-control. Self-control, okay? Discipline. So I have Finish Line, I have Fashion Nova, Kids Foot Locker, I have the GOAT app, I have J23. If you don't know what J23 is, it's basically an app that just keeps you up on when all Jordan release dates, Nike release dates, all of that. Like, soon as their shop drops, all of that. They know when it's happening, they send you a notification, so it's very clutch. I have the Pretty Little Thing app, Boohoo, Misguided, pretty much Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo, Misguided, Shein. They kind of all carry the same types of fashions. So, but I got all the apps. It's cool. I have the DTLR app, the Hibbett app, the Nike app, Stadium Goods. Oh, I do have Adidas Confirmed. I was afraid I didn't re-download that. Okay. Now I have Alibaba, and Alibaba is a good app to have if you want to get like things in bulk. Like, one time I was doing a DIY thing and I had bought like bulk off-brand pop sockets, which is pretty much the same as like a regular pop socket. So it comes in handy for stuff like that. Or if you want to get like phone cases, instead of buying them on Amazon, you can get probably like the same style on Alibaba and AliExpress as well for like $5 or something like that. So yeah. What else? I also have, I already said Shein. I have the Bath & Body Works app. I have the Samsung Shop app because, as y'all know, I have a Samsung phone as well. So I got that app on my phone. Then of course we got Amazon, we got Target, SNS. SNS is called Sneakers and Stuff. This is also a really good app. Don't say I never told y'all nothing. SNS, if you want to get drops, use SNS, okay? 9 times out of 10, you're going to win the draw versus trying to fight on Foot Locker and Finish Line and all those apps. I have Sam's Club, Foot Locker, then I have the Sneakers app. I got Foot Action, Best Buy. I get a lot of electronics from Best Buy, so don't be sleep on Best Buy. I know a lot of people just go to Amazon or go to Walmart or whatever the case may be, but Best Buy, they do deals, okay? And then I have the Champs Sports app. And my wallpaper on here says trust the process, and it's just a black background. I tend to like darker backgrounds and dark mode in general because it's just better for my eyes. So then I have the utilities apps, and it's really nothing in here that I use besides the widgets and the calculator. So voice memos, compass, measure, magnifier. I have Widgetsmith, color widgets, Miko. I got Xfinity Mobile in here, Canvas. I got Follow My Health for the doctor's office, and I have the Xbox Game Pass app on here. And so Widgetsmith is the app where you can come in here and make your own widgets, like customize them, and then you can also do on the lock screen as well. So as you can see, I got 2 that I made, but for some reason this circular widget, it won't stay up there. Like, it's up there for 2 seconds, you unlock the phone, lock it back, and then it's gone. And I'm just like, so there's clearly a bug with that, but it's whatever. And then I want to show you guys the Miko app, because this has a bunch of cool widgets in here that you can put on your phone. And the one that is under all of these apps is the roll photo. And you basically go in here and select up to 16 photos, and they will show up as a slideshow like they're showing right now. So I just have pictures of me, my fiance, my daughter, our daughter on here. So yeah. Then I have the Proton VPN. If you don't have a VPN, get a VPN, okay? I work in the tech field. Sometimes you just need to use another IP address, okay? If you know, you know. All right, get a VPN. I have Duo Mobile because multi-factor authentication is important. I work for a cybersecurity company, and I go to school for tech. I've been in tech for a while, so it's important, okay? You need to have the 2-factor on everything. That's
why y'all's Facebook page be getting hacked, okay? Do better.
All right, I also got the Microsoft Authenticator. I use both of them. Then I have TrayMinder, which is an app for my trays, because I am doing Invisalign and I'm almost done with that. Thank God. I'm on like the last 4 major trays before they do like the overcorrection tray, so I'm excited. I have the Knot app because I am planning a wedding, so I've been using the Knot for some things. Then I have a finance folder, which is just a bunch of finance apps, which y'all probably don't care about, but these are the things I use for like money and like investments. And then I have like a work app in here where I can see my pay stubs and stuff like that. And then I have Slack. I use Slack for work. It's basically like a chat service, kind of like Teams. And then on the next page, I have Google Drive, Microsoft Teams, and I also have a little widget for podcasts because I do listen to a few podcasts. As you can see, I listen to Joe Budden's podcast a lot, so I just think they're funny. I have that. And then I have Dashlane. Dashlane is a really cool app. With Dashlane, you can go in there and it's basically like the iCloud keychain. But Dashlane has been out for quite a while, even before Apple decided to do their keychain ordeal. So you can go in there and save your logins in there, and you can also generate your passwords so that none of your passwords are the same for any website. Cybersecurity 101, that is very important, okay? Then I have Pinterest, and I like to use Pinterest for finding wallpapers or just getting inspiration for stuff. Like, oh, this one is cute. I think I want to save that. I like that. I might use that at some point. It's giving ADHD. But yeah, I like to come in here and like look at like furniture inspo and stuff like that. So I've been looking at like wedding dress styles in here because I don't know my wedding dress style, because I don't even like to dress up. Like, I'm very tomboy-ish. I don't wear dresses. So yeah. But anyway, moving right along. Then I have the Hubble Club, which is just a app for my daughter's room. We have like a little camera in there so we can like see what she's doing. when we're not in her room or whatever. Then I have a folder for travel, and I have Priceline and Delta in there, and I'm pretty sure it's more apps that need to go in here and they're just not in here. And I have like the airplane taken off as the folder icons for that. Then I got Proton VPN on here twice. It's fine, it's cool. I have the Waze app because nobody's really documenting where the popo is. Ain't nobody telling you where 12 at in Apple Maps, like talking about it. So the people who really use Waze, if nobody told you, we appreciate you, because it be accurate. The people be on it, they be using it. So that's why I keep Waze on my phone. Then I have a ticket folder because I like to go to like concerts and stuff like that. So I have StubHub, Live Nation, and Ticketmaster in this folder. And then this folder right here is basically for packages. I got the USPS and I have the UPS. I need to add FedEx in here because sometimes packages come through them, so I need to add that. Then I have the CNN app. Typically, I don't go on it searching for news like every single day because the news just be bad news all the time. You know what I'm saying? But I like to keep it on here because sometimes you can get notified of like some really important stuff happening around the world and you just need to know what's going on sometimes, okay? Then I have the Roku app because for some reason Roku remote, it stay going missing in the house. Like the Roku remote for every TV. And sometimes I don't feel like looking for it and I just turn the channel from my phone. So if you got a smart TV, just download the app that go with it, because sometimes you just can't keep up with the remote. Like, I don't know what's up with that. On my bottom row, it's same old, same old. Mostly everybody got these same things at the bottom, which is the phone, messages, Safari, and the camera. I'm debating on whether I want to put the camera on the action button, but then on the lock screen you have the, you know, you can just press it, so it's kind of like, probably not that important, you know. And then over here is just the app drawer, which it kind of auto categorizes apps for you. So like some other miscellaneous apps I got, it's like the Flow app to track your periods, or like in the reading app I have Hoopla and Libby, which if you have a public library card, you can download Hoopla and Libby and you can like read books for free in there. So that's pretty cool. And then I have like the hotel app. It needs to go into that other folder. And then I have my car insurance, which is State Farm, and that's just getting on my nerves because why do car insurance keep going up everywhere? I'm tired. Anyway, what else do I have? Oh, I got Affirm, Afterpay, Klarna. All them people, I got them because who want to pay full price on day one when I can just pay in increments? It don't even matter if I got the money. Like, I don't care if it's $10. Like, girl, I'll pay you in 2 weeks, okay? But yeah, that's pretty much all the apps that I have on my phone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I haven't done one of these in like God knows when. I have to go back in the catalog and see. I don't think I've done a what's on my iPhone since like the iPhone 6 or 7. Like, girl, what is going on? We back in the game though. We back in the game, so it don't even matter. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like the video, comment, subscribe, and yeah, let's get it popping. If you haven't, go check out my iPhone unboxing video. Go do that too. Go do that too. Okay? Anyway, I will holler at y'all later. Bye.